Modern calligraphy is a masterful art, a skill that takes time, patience, and commitment to perfect. If you're going through a spell of creativity and want to bring a touch of magic to your next masterpiece, you need the 19-piece themed Daveliou Calligraphy set, a bewitching design for beginners and professionals alike. This unique set is encapsulated in a wonderful mystical box and sky blue interior case, making an ideal gift for wizarding fans worldwide. It features two beautifully weighted writing wands in enchanting blue glass and traditional wood, embossed at the tip with beautiful celestial patterns and coming complete with a matching pen rest. The otherworldly design is complemented by 4 magical inks: Starry Silver, Raven Black, Noble Purple, and Fairy Green. This set also contains 12 finely crafted nibs, offering complete dexterity, finesse, and ease, ensuring you weave the perfect stroke every time you write. From invitations to certificates, posters to acceptance letters, art, potions and spells, design, and more. Now you can conjure words of beauty, knowing that your materials won't let you down. Don't settle for second best. Make your next artwork truly spellbinding with the Daveliou Wizard-themed calligraphy set. And do it better with Daveliou.